Hi friends, my name is Harshit Kaniti. I am studying in class 6. I am going to ask few questions to my father about waste management when he was child during festivals. Let's let's find the difference between then and now. Is that is that the way still celebrated when you were children?
Yes,
What has changed?
there are a lot of changes in during my childhood and now. During my childhood, we used to use all biodegradable things for the food or decorations. For the decorations, we used to use colored papers as decorative items, and we used to have leafy plates so that will be decompose in very fast time. But nowadays we observe all plastic materials making with polyethylene bags or something like waste out of plastics, and these are not biodegradable items. And these plastics will take more than years, 22,000 years it will take to decompose in the soil. These are the major differences. And during my childhood, the waste generated will not affect any environmental issues, but now there are a lot of environmental issues. And during my childhood, like the festivals, Ganesh Chaturthi, they used to have the sand that sand idols, and now they are using, nowadays they were used to use a plaster of Paris item which will not dissolve in the waters. So these are affecting very badly to the environment.
How does it how does it contribute to waste?
Yeah, the waste which is generated during the festivals or during any marriage functions, those waste will be used as during my childhood as a manure to the plants. But the waste generating now is almost as a plastic waste, and it takes a lot of time to degrade it, biodegrade. Yeah.
How does the waste produced managed?
We used to put in the directly in the soil in my childhood. Now we are going to put in separate bags, and that will be taken to some barren lands to landfill, like plastic waste, because these wastes are not biodegradable. So we have to, there is a procedure to manage it. So we have to put it in somewhere like in barren lands, and put it in the land that will take years to biodegrade.
Do you know anybody who celebrates the festival or function in an eco-friendly manner?
Yeah, during my childhood we used to do like that, eco-friendly way, like but now people are, in recent past, in recent few years, people are now understanding the effects of these plastic wastes generated during festivals will be affecting to the environment. So now people are starting to use biodegradable any articles, like plastic. Instead of using plastic plates, now people are using paper plates, so that can be degradable.
Can we consider some things like firecrackers, cutlery, etc.?
Yes, yes. During my childhood, these firecrackers people used to make on their own in their homes by using very few sulfur, phosphorus, whatever the items. And uh, but nowadays people are using the crackers which is wrapped in a plastic papers or something like that, so that plastic will generate as a threat to the environment. And cutlery, yes, during those times we used to have wooden cutlery. And the wood is almost is a biodegradable thing. And nowadays, recently, the people are using plastic cutlery, which is another issue to environment.
Did they practice the arts?
Yes, so whatever the in those days, all the items which are being used were natural resources, like leaves of the trees. So it's a biodegradable thing. And nowadays people are using like now people are stopped using polyethylene bags. Instead of using polyethylene bags for the shopping, now they are using cloth bags or paper bags. So it's indirectly they are reusing the paper bags or cloth bags. And people are also using those what we say wastes, some old plastic mugs or something, as plants, to put the plants inside that plastic mugs for using as a uh, tree plantation, in indoor plantation. Yes.
How do they affect the environment?
Yeah, in those days, nothing, any environmental issues, but nowadays it affects. Yes, plastic is a biodegradable thing, and it takes years together to decompose. So it has very a lot of effects on environment.
Are there any eco-friendly alternatives?
Eco-friendly alternatives, yes, it's absolutely is there, but that takes time. Nowadays people are in hurry to get everything in minutes or in hours. But biodegradable things like natural resources, the leaves and all, that will be available, and takes time to make it. It takes long process to make one plate of leaves. And they used to join the leaves together to make one plate. That takes a lot of time. But to manufacture one plastic plate, it takes very less than minutes to generate. So people are not waiting and not having patience to develop those plates with leaves. So people are going to the alternatives like plastic plates. Are now people are understanding the effects of the plastic plates, so people are going to paper plates. So there is difference. Yes.
Okay, thank you for watching this video and thank you for being with us.